and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, we will be taking a look at Kazakhstan Government Scholarship for international students for the 2025-2026 academic section, which is open to either bachelor, master's, and PhD program. However, if this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent scholarship videos like this, where we discuss the eligibility requirements, the documents required, and then the application process, in which we give you in-depth analysis about the application procedure. So do well to watch this video up to the end. There are some important explanations that you need to figure out before you apply for this scholarship, and also the application form in which you are going to fill and upload alongside your document that is required for this scholarship. So just like I said, this scholarship is currently open for international students, and if this is one of your dreams to study abroad, here is a fully funded scholarship by the government of Kazakhstan, and then this application is made through the Higher Education Development National Center website, in which I'm going to show you the website you are going to visit to begin your application. So let's get started and see how we can apply for this scholarship. Just like I told you earlier, this scholarship is currently open, and then international students from all parts of the world are eligible to apply. I'm going to show you the numbers of scholarships that are open right now is limited. There are slots open for bachelor degree more than master's or PhD program. So do well to watch up to the end and then see how you can apply for this scholarship. So the Ministry of Science and Technology of the Republic of Kazakhstan has opened this call for international students and also the citizens of Kazakhstan to apply for this scholarship, which is open to bachelor, master's, and PhD. The total number of scholarship award is around 550, which is open to bachelor, master, and PhD. Meanwhile, this 550 is being divided into three, in which 490 goes to bachelor programs, while 10 scholarship award go to PhD, and the 50 remaining goes to bachelor programs in selected universities located in Kazakhstan. I'm going to show you the universities that you can select from and then apply for this scholarship. So before that, here is the eligibility requirement for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship. First is applicants all over the world can apply. The Kazakh nationals can also apply, but not from the Republic of Kazakhstan, which means that Kazakhstan citizens living abroad can apply for this scholarship. Applicants must have completed high school to apply for bachelor or undergraduate program, while applicants must have completed bachelor for masters, and applicants must have completed masters for PhD. So the next is a minimum GPA of 3.0 out of 4 for masters and PhD is required. Proof of language knowledge for master and PhD is mandatory also. So for those applying for undergraduates, you don't need IELTS, as you can study in Russian language or selected language for this scholarship, or the Kazakhstan language. While for masters and PhD, it is mandatory for you to provide a language proficiency. So if you have the knowledge of Russian language, you can provide the certification, or either German language. You can also submit the certification for this. So I'm going to open the official scholarship website so that you can see the call, and then I will walk you through how to apply using the link I'm going to show you in this web page. So to get the link of this web page, check the description of this video, and then you can be able to access the relevant link in which you will be needing to apply for this scholarship. So I'm going to click on the official scholarship website, which is this. So once I click on it, it will direct me to the official university website, or it will direct me to the official Kazakhstan website, which is the higher education website where you need to apply for the scholarship. But before that, here is the list of universities that are open to select from in order for you to participate with this scholarship if selected. So I'm going to change this to English. So do well to use a Chrome browser in order for you to change this language to English, so you can understand better what the web page is saying. So once you click on this link, it will redirect you to this page. So here we have the Dear Candidate Scholarship Program for studying at the University of Kazakhstan. Candidate can submit their documents online from March 30th to May 31st, 2025 using this link. So this is the link to submit your application. So I will walk you through what the link, and then ensure you apply. So 490 is going to bachelor degree, while 10 is going to doctorate, just like I said earlier, and masters we have 60 awards. But let's take a look at the university so that we can compare it with what we have here. So once you click on this link, it will redirect you to the list of universities for application. So all you need to do is you should download this document. Once you download this document, it will refer you to the list of universities that you can select once you are on the application page. So do well to check the list, but let's see how it's going to download. So once it downloads, you can then open it. So these are the list of the universities. As you can see, we have about 37 universities. This is not written in English, so we still have, once you translate it, this is what you get. So you can browse each university, the university you want to apply. You can browse the selected university you want, then know about the course program, know about, you can check the course program, you can check the requirements. So next is what are the benefits. The benefit is full tuition fee and monthly stipend. So just like I mentioned earlier, we have looked at the universities. So you can also check the candidate requirements from here. So these are the candidate requirements, which means the documents that is needed for this scholarship. So these are the candidate requirements, which is the document required for applying to this scholarship. The Kazakhstan Government Scholarship for 2025-2026 academic section for either the domestic students living abroad or international students from any part of the world. So the candidate will receive higher or a postgraduate education under the scholarship program if he or she is studying for the first time at each of these levels. A copy of your document for previous study is required with transcripts and appendix if any. So we have the motivation essay in Kazakh, Russian or English. So you need the motivation essay which can be written in this language or this language. So we have two letters of recommendation we have two letters of recommendation which can be in Kazakh or Russian or English language. So we have the medical certificate of health to study abroad issued by the official health authority of applicant's place of residence. So you have complete questionnaire. You should ensure you download this questionnaire and invitation letter from the Kazakhstan NGO if available. So this is not important. So here too, this is not important. The invitation letter is not, if it is available, you can provide it. But as a first timer, I don't think you need it. So here, this requirement I've mentioned earlier is for bachelor degree program, while for masters and then doctorate degrees, you can check the list and then ensure you provide all these documents that are required. As you can see, not necessarily you provide a foreign proficiency certification in English. If you have the IELTS or TOEFL, you can provide it. For German proficiency, if you have studied in German or if you have studied in German, then you can provide the certifications, which is this. You can also study in French. These are the requirements. You can also study in Chinese language. These are the requirements. Then international students certificate confirming proficiency in foreign language is not required for individuals whose country of residence is in the official or language of instruction at the previous level of education. So international students whose country official language is either Chinese, French, German or English are not required to provide foreign language certifications. So put this at the back of your mind. So these are the requirements for doctoral studies. So it's still the same thing with what we have for master studies. So how do we apply? This is where you need to pay attention closely. All you need to do is for you to download the application form. Check it under the document required, in which I'm going to drop the link of this web page in the description of this video. So once you click on it, it will redirect you to once it redirects you, it will enable you to download. Once you download it, you can print it out, and then this is it. You fill it rightly. Ensure you fill this rightly. All information that is needed here should be correct. So tick. You can see you can study in French, you can study in German, you can study in English, you can also study in Chinese language. So tick your level of education, tick your level of program you want to apply for. So ensure you fill in the appropriate list, fill in the appropriate information, and then sign here. So you are done with the filling of the application form. Attach it to other relevant documents that is being specified on the list here. Attach it to this list here for bachelor, for masters, and for PhD if you are studying any degree program in PhD. Next, after filling the application form, is for you to see this link. Click on this link. It will direct you to So once it will direct you to this web page, you can change it to English language. Then you click on register. This is where you start to upload all relevant documents that is being specified here. Ensure that you upload all the documents that is needed. Don't miss out on any of the documents. So ensure these documents are valid and up to date. So this is where you begin your application, and then the closing date for this scholarship is 31st of May 2025. So this is how to apply for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship for international students or citizens of Kazakhstan living abroad. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video. See you in our next one.